The coronavirus pandemic has caused plenty of disruption around the world, and the automotive landscape was not immune. Under government advice, dealerships shut their doors as we all went into lockdown hibernation. Not ideal if you're itching to buy a new set of wheels anytime soon. The good news is that you can still buy a new car, but things are working slightly different at the moment. Here's our guide to buying a car under lockdown. Due to government guidance on social distancing, you can't just pop into a dealership and ask questions or take a test drive. This means that doing your research is more important than ever to ensure that you make the best choice in new car. Make sure you check out road tests from experts. Motoring journalists are specialised in assessing cars and filtering out all of that manufacturer jargon into something that you can digest. Reading or watching road tests from reputable outlets is a good start and should give you the key information and first impressions you're looking for. Read a spectrum of reviews and get a balanced opinion. Some manufacturers such as Skoda and Seat are offering live tours of their models with a guide who can actually answer any questions you might have. Of course, it goes without saying, but you can find road tests of the latest cars to hit the road on the YesAuto website. Lots of car manufacturers have online configurators to help you spec your new pride and joy. Now, 5 years ago, these were only really any good for offering paint samples, but now they're fully fledged simulations. Rendered in virtual reality, you can now see exactly how your choices impact the car both inside and out. Optional extras are reflected and added to the totals, allowing you to keep an eye on potentially pricey toys added. Some manufacturers already have functionality or have since added the ability to order a car online. In a similar fashion to online shopping for jeans, you tell the website what you want, pay a deposit, and you'll be notified when your new car will arrive. Not every car manufacturer can facilitate online ordering, but you can usually send an inquiry. Expect to have a member of staff give you a call and guide you through their ordering process. However, some marques are simply waiting for dealerships to reopen. How you get your hands on your new car varies from manufacturer to manufacturer. Since the 13th of May 2020, you've been able to pick up a car from the dealership while observing social distancing measures. You aren't allowed inside for a coffee, but instead this works a bit like a click and collect service. Dependent upon where you order your car from, the supplier might offer a contactless delivery service where the car is dropped off at your door. This saves the hassle of getting to the dealership and is the ultimate way of feeling like you've just ordered a car from Amazon, oversized cardboard box not included. Dealerships hope to open their doors once again on the 1st of June 2020, but this is a moving target with no firm date in place as of yet. Your new car will likely need to visit the dealer for servicing. The good news is that dealerships have reopened their service departments. However, they will be run under socially distanced measures, so check with your dealer to see how they are working things. It's also positive news for car owners with warranties that have expired during lockdown. Many manufacturers from Aston Martin to Seat have extended expiring warranties by 3 months. Service schedules have also been relaxed on new cars in many situations. Head to YesAuto.com for the latest car news and reviews, and don't forget to check us out on social media. We're in all the usual places such as Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Simply search for YesAuto.